template is a pre-made form. If you apply for a job or a loan, that form is a template. We're going to be using worksheet templates for our cognitive strategy training class. This gives us a blank form in which we can keep track of what we're learning. Your revised worksheet is then saved in your Google Drive and can be shared if you like. So the first thing we do is we sign in to our Google SDCE Online account. So you go to google.com and you click sign in. I'm going to be Sally's student today. You put in your password, which unless you've changed it is SDCE Online, and then you click sign in. Now in the past we had a black bar that directed us to where we want to go. Now we've got a little box here. It's the same thing. So we click on the little box and that tells us all of our Google apps. We're going to be clicking on the Drive app. So this opens up in our Google Drive. This is where you can store any files that you would like. They would be stored on the cloud. So that means you can access any of these files from any computer anywhere, as long as you can access your Google account. So it's quite handy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for a template. Now, I can give you a long, involved way to get to it, but here's an easier one. So here we are at the Google Drive site. Put your cursor at the end of this web address, and then I want you to delete everything after the / after sdceonline.com. So just hit delete. Now, type in templates, TEMPLATES, and then click enter. And what you will find is you will find 4 different tabs with different templates. I'm not sure if you'll actually open up in this one or not, but you can see if you open up in this one, it may look a little bit different and you have no templates there, but we want you to go to the San Diego Continuing Education template and click on that. Okay, so these are the templates that we set up for our class. And you want to go in order, so let's find worksheet 1 and let's use this template. So we just click on it. Now the nice thing is by doing that, you've now got the worksheet and it's actually now on your account and you can make changes. So in this case, we can write what the negative event was. My boss yelled at me. Okay, and the feelings, I felt sad, I felt humiliated, etc., etc., etc. You can type in these boxes here, you can type here, you can type here. So you fill in the worksheet and you can do it by typing. Now, if you absolutely want, instead of typing it, you can always go to File and you can print and then you can write it in if you want. But the beauty of typing it in is this file then stays on your drive. So you can rename it if you want by clicking up at the name and just getting rid of the copy of, and you'll say, here's my worksheet for negative to positive, click OK, and now it's called that. And now look, if I go back to my Google Drive by clicking here, I can now see my worksheet and I can see the changes that I have done. Down the line, we might talk about sharing it. Right now it's private, so only you can see it, but you can share it with me or you can share it with the class, and we'll talk about that. But for now, what I want you to know how to do is I want you to be able to know how to get to Google Drive, and I want you to be able to know how to get to the templates, and then to open up that template and use it. So once again, let's review. We've signed in. We've gone to Google Drive by clicking on the boxes there. We've clicked on Google Drive. Once we're there, we block out everything on the other side of SDC Online, and we type in templates. We click enter. It takes us to the templates, and then we pick the worksheet that we want. So use this template. It comes up as a copy. You can change the name by clicking on that and doing the new one. I'll just say a different okay, worksheet. Say okay. Once again, you can modify it, and then it's automatically saved. So try that a couple times, get used to that. That's your assignment for later. Good luck.